Royet is in the mid-northeast of Thailand. Covering an area of 12 square kilometers, it has over 56,000 residents. Natural resource goals are fourfold. First, management of green areas by conserving the natural environment and keeping reasonable population density and green space access. Secondly, promotion of quality of life with public education on sustainable development. Thirdly, reduction of solid waste creation and fostering of responsible reuse. And finally, practicing of correct solid waste management. The process of solid waste is focused from the beginning to end. Initially, no waste bin streets are designated places and times for collections, and no waste is left uncollected on streets. Transportation of waste to controlled sites outside the city is by fully modern trucks. Developing zero-waste recycling programs, educating the public on sorting and reusing solid waste. Special projects such as recycle banks and innovation contests and second-hand markets. Collection and sorting of waste to sell. Collecting their own solid waste fees, the income from which can be used for public services. Specifying a plan to sort organic waste from farmers' markets for conversion into compost and energy. Ultimately, processes are created building the equipment appropriate to Royet's solid waste disposal for transportation to the private sector. In a green perspective, Royet values urban green areas. There are now 3.5 square kilometers of green area, 30% of the total. There are also green areas which are part of the local daily life, such as ancient historic areas, religious sites, government, and school areas. The city operations on solid waste and green areas have been successful due in part from great cooperation from all sectors.